So when we're looking at international student, one of the units is in my area is advising of freshman and sophomore students. So definitely when they first come into the institution, we work with them. But on the international part, we've been trying to really attract more international students, and we have a couple of three right now. One is also from Nigeria, trying to let them understand which are the best majors for them that could really serve them here in the United States and also wherever they may be from. So, but right now we're also looking at if we can get more international students to go to school online from their country, from their various countries. One, the school fees will be less, and they will get that degree from whatever country, if it's a United States degree. We are hoping they can opt to do it for 2 years online and then maybe be resident in the last 2 years. However, just looking at how that works. Now, we know we are now in a global society.
Yes, we are.
So it's very important that these students and our students here in the United States too are familiar with the global needs. So the students internationally, Africa, Asia, that they also are familiar with the global needs at this time.
Yeah.